Hey guys, welcome back to the Carter and Josh show, and today I got something cool I gotta show you guys. So my stepdad and I had bought this bike like a year or two ago, and I think we only spent $40 on it. It had this kind of ugly chrome paint on it and everything, and it was just like a normal Mongoose, but, well, one day I got it out, and links on it, these little bars separating it on the chain, I was just hauling it down here, and I hit that dumpster over there. I don't even remember doing it, but and I wiped out in some of the gravel over there because I gunned it too hard, and it fell off the gears. And I took off the back brakes because it was rubbing up against a tire there. So that's one thing I didn't like about that. But after doing it for, I don't know, we just been putting a little bit here and there for a couple months, and we've got nice rock star sticker, no advertisement or anything. Lethal threat, I don't know, I just bought some stickers for it. There's this one, and some of them, like, I put a piece of tape on there because the sticker was trying to peel off. You put a clear coat on there, but it didn't do much. And we got, I think this is kind of a rare one, rare fox sticker. We've got these little guys on the side here. And I have an older tire in the back. It's kind of bald, so I can get some good spin out or, stuff like that. It's got all metal silver pedals. This is not really matching seat, but who cares? I got custom handlebars that they've been on there for a while since I bought it. The logo, I think it's a little wonky, but I don't know. That's how it was. Got East Lake sticker there. Got some nice grippy tires for turning. I might take off these bolts right here and then paint them because they're kind of rusty. Focus. Oh well, but they're pretty rusty. I'll be also painted these gold. They've got a sparkle metallic type paint to them. If you guys, I don't know if you guys can see that. What else did we put on there? It's obviously matte black with clear coat on it. Got obviously new chain because I don't do that. My cousin Josh, the other co-person of the show, we were building ramps out of those pallets over that canopy over there, and we were just, gunning it through there. And I think he went over the ramp with it and just snapped the chain in half, which was pretty funny though. I don't really care about that old chain. And we kept the Mongoose logo on there. It's not really like a heavy BMX bike, or like a good BMX bike. I think it's more like a cruiser type thing. I mean, you could do some tricks on it because it's definitely got thicker frame on it. Like, it should be skinnier than that. It should be lighter, but it's more of a cruiser. I still have to put the brakes on, but who needs brakes? Am I right? Probably just put the back brakes. I don't really need the front brakes, and I don't feel like doing all that hassle. If I ever get to the chance to do the front brakes before, it snows soon. Hopefully it doesn't, but I got that. I bought the tire like that. It's got Mongoose on it. What else did we do? Picture something else. My next bike project might be this one. This is what I used to ride, but that keeps on slipping down there. The cable broke, and I just took off the seat and put it on that one like it was originally. The handlebars keep on twisting back. I mean, it's got great tires and great rims on it, and I could tell you that. That one, I actually uploaded a video on it. It's my mom's old bike. We're doing burnouts over there in the parking lot. There's dirt over there, and we were just spinning it out, and I just slow mo, and you could actually see the whole tire kind of like warp a little bit. Josh recorded that one. We've got some back suspension, coil suspension on both. This one's really nice on the road. This one's pretty good on the off-road. I just gotta fix it up a little bit. Chain's rusty on it. Actually, the freaking brakes on this, that's been sitting out here for a while. I actually got all up, or I was all locked up. You could actually even see that there's like a hole in the freaking brake. I bought new brakes for that too. So, no more rubbing up against anything. Ride's really good. Definitely hauls ass. And one thing I don't like about this is the seat. I have to keep on tightening the bolt on there because it'll tilt back when you sit on it enough. It's got a good, it's pretty comfortable, and it's got a sharp turning radius compared to those ones. They got bigger tires and longer frames. Pretty good bike. Have to get Josh over here to have him ride it, have him tell me what he thinks about it. That's pretty much all I did to it, but there was a lot more work here to scrape off everything. And I gotta fix those stickers on there. We gotta put brake cables, feed it through that dumb thing right there. You know, how annoying those can be. What else? I think that's pretty much it. I just want to show you guys this. I want to know what you guys think. It's not a bad looking bike though. It's kind of like a trail cruise type thing, like in the sand or something like that. I mean, it's no trail bike, or no mountain bike or like that or anything. It's not a really light BMX. It's kind of like in between. Like you can go in the grass or, sand or go around town in it. Whoops. Maybe I'll get a kickstand for it. But that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know what you guys think down below. Joshua's got a cool bike. He calls it the Red Ranger, I think. It's like a mountain bike. It kind of looks like that, but it's like a little bit more beefier. And his has got not bad suspension. I just gotta adjust it for him. I got a little tool thing for the bikes. That's gonna wrap it up. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. And if you're into gaming, go check out my channel, Abomination Gaming. I'm not sure what Josh his channel is now, but at least subscribe to this one. Man, I'm not freaking holding on to this thing, am I? But go check out my gaming channel, and you could probably subscribe to Joshua's old channel, Josh Henry, but I have to figure out what his is. If you guys want to see more like bikes and stuff like that, or different stuff like that, let me know in the comments what you guys want for your car information and stuff like that, because I did the Ranchero. I got a whole bunch more, so we gotta figure out something, because I live 20 miles away from Joshua down that way, so not that easy to do videos together. Plus school's coming up, so have a great day, guys. Put a thumbs up on the video if you liked it, and subscribe to see more.